Namaste everyone, welcome to Centum CS. In the last video, we discussed about MCQs based on Part B, Unit 1, Chapter 2, working with images. In this video, we will be discussing about case studies. Case study 1. Ria is creating a school magazine using a word processing software. She wants to make the title page attractive by adding images and shapes. She inserts the school logo and a few pictures of cultural events. Later, she realizes that some pictures are too large and not in a proper alignment with the text. She decides to resize, crop and wrap the text around the images. She also wants to adjust the brightness and contrast of one picture and group all shapes together to move them easily. So let's answer the questions given below. Which option should Ria use to remove unwanted parts of the image? Resize, crop, compress, rotate. Ria should use crop option to remove the unwanted parts. Question 2. To make text flow around a picture, which feature should she apply? Text wrapping, alignment, grouping, formatting. She has to apply text wrapping. Ria wants to move multiple images and shapes as one unit. Which feature will help her? Locking, combining, grouping, layering. Here it is grouping. Which toolbar or tab generally contains options like brightness, contrast and recolor? Drawing toolbar, picture toolbar, format toolbar, insert toolbar. It is picture toolbar. To maintain image proportion while resizing, Ria should drag from the side handles, drag from a corner handles, use rotate handle, use crop tool. She has to use drag from a corner handle. Case study 2. Arav is preparing a science project report on renewable energy sources using a word processing application. He wants to make the document visually appealing by adding relevant images like solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric dams. After inserting the picture, he notices that some of them overlap with the text and need to be properly adjusted. He also decides to apply borders and captions to the image for better presentation. Later, he wants to link one image to a website with solar energy instead of embedding it to reduce file size. Let's see the question and answers. Which feature should Arav use to make text appear neatly around his images? Alignment, word art, text wrapping, grouping. He has to use text wrapping. To add a short description below each image, Arav should use the caption feature, header option, footer option, comment tool. He should use caption feature. Arav wants to make the document size smaller by connecting to the image to an online sources rather than storing in the file. Which option should he choose? Obviously, it's a linking option. Which toolbar or tab allows Arav to add image borders and apply artistic features. Drawing toolbar, picture toolbar, standard toolbar, review toolbar. It is picture toolbar. If Arav wants to crop extra white spaces around an image, which tool should he use? Resize tool, selection tool, format painter, crop tool. He should use crop tool. With this, we will be ending chapter 2. In the next video, we'll begin with chapter 3.